Hi children, do you know how to create a new document? Come, we will learn. Go to page number 51.
After starting WordPad, you are ready to enter text using keyboard. At the cursor position, you can start writing. In a Word document, to start typing from the cursor where it is blinking. The cursor displays the positions from where you can start entering text into WordPad document. Might have noticed a cursor is blinking on the screen. You can move to the area where you want to write the text. Let us write a paragraph. While writing, remember to use the following keys. Use spacebar key to provide space after each word. Use caps lock or shift key to write capital or small letters. Use enter key to move your cursor to the next line. Use scroll bar to move from one page to another. Okay, understood? Next one. Once you have entered text in WordPad, you can save your document. After finishing to type your text, you can save the document. Save a document. You can use the file menu or the save icon to save your document. To save a file, step 1, click the file menu. Step 2, click the save option. The save as dialog box appears. Step 3, specify a file name in the file name box. Step 4, click the save button. By default, the file will be saved in my documents folder. Next one, how do I specify a file name? A file name provides a hint about the content of a file. You can use your first name and last initial as the file name. For example, if name is Rahul Gupta, use the word Rahul as the file name. The file extension may be .doc, .txt or .rtf based on your word processor. Example, Rahul.doc, Rahul.rtf, Rahul.txt. File names. Next one, open a document. A saved file can be opened easily. To open a file, follow the steps given below. Step 1, click the file menu. Step 2, select the open option. The open dialog box appears. Step 3, select a file name in the file name box. Step 4, click the open button. Format a document. To change a font type, style or size. Step 1, select the text that you want to change. Step 2, on the format menu, click font. The font dialog box appears. Step 3, click the options from the font dialog box. Step 4, click OK button to apply the changes. Notes. You can specify the font for a new text by changing the font settings before you begin to type. You want to change the type of text format. Change the font from default font to Arial font or time font. Likewise, let us do some formatting. Selecting text. You must select the text before applying any format to it. Whenever you select a text, it gets highlighted on the screen. For selecting a single word, double-click the word. See, the word gets highlighted as shown, highlighted. Before typing, you must select a format when you want to change a font of particular text. That time, the text must be highlighted. Okay, understood? Next one, for selecting a paragraph, position your mouse over the first word and then click and drag the mouse over the text that you want to select. To select a paragraph, keep your mouse pointer beginning of the paragraph, left click without leaving the left click, drag to desired area. Then release the paragraph will selected. Then release the paragraph will selected. Like this. See, the paragraph gets highlighted as shown below. Like this. Okay, understood?
Bye for now. See you in the next class.